madalas nagkakamali dito. Maraming violation. Alam ko yun. Yung mga sinasabi niya, yung brand, mga bagay na dapat hindi sabihin, di ba bawal? Narinig ko marami. Pero alam ko swak yun pa.
Parang, like you thinking first, yun na parang,
hindi ko talaga i-expect na si Papa yung makakapasok ko. Hindi pumasok sa isip ko si Papa.
Because he's the one who does everything for you and your family. Don't forget this. And everything you're told me about your family, ano nangyari sa buhay mo, parang sobrang, wow. And the people outside din, yung tao sa labas, sobrang proud. Sobrang wow feeling, parang ganun. So I admire your father. He does everything for you and your kapatid. Everything. That he wants to make everything for you, to give you the chance to make your dream come true. No, you must be happy.
Happy, pero...
You cannot hindi naniniwala. Ayun. Parang dream. Parang dream. You're dreaming na yun. Please don't wake me up. Parang ganun. Yes, please don't wake me up. That's like me. I'm just parang dream. Did you see the tao sa labas? How much they support you because of your lifestyle.
Nan, pumasok ka sa confession room. Nan.
Walang anuman. I'm there for you.
Pakilagay mo na lang sa table yung necktie.
Very importante.
Nan.